Welcome to the ArborSafe tutorial on how your tree contractors should fill in a work order. In this video, we will show you how your contractors should fill in the sections listed on the work order once they have completed work on the tree. To see how to view, print and save a work order, please see our tutorial video on this subject entitled How to Print and Save a Work Order Report. The work order for a specific tree is in PDF format. Your contractor should receive these from you and print them out or make them available on their tablet or phone to take with them when working on your site. The work order lists the tree ID, the site name, the risk rating, the species name. Your contractor should fill in the date the works were completed, the supplier name, the cost for the works on that individual tree, and a quote or reference number. They can add any comments about the works here. If they need to write more information, they can do so in the space at the bottom of the work order. There may be some general comments or instructions about the tree. They can view any comments the ArborSafe assessing arborist has made in relation to the tree or the works to be carried out. Next, they should tick the boxes only for the works that were carried out that day. Leave any actions not completed with a blank checkbox. There may be some general works that have also been completed, such as mulching, that they need to check off. If they have done extra actions not listed on the work order, they can write this clearly in the space below. This work order should then be returned to the site manager for uploading into the ArborSafe software. Thank you for watching this video. If you require any more information not found in our tutorials, please contact ArborSafe on the phone number or email found on this screen.